In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money through Remitly from Germany to India. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to use the Remitly app and transfer money from Germany to India. Keep in mind that these instructions will also apply for any other country. So to do this, download the latest version of the Remitly app and make sure that you are signed in to use the services. I'm not going to go through the sign up process in this video. Now, once you are done, tap this flag that you see at the top left corner of the screen and change it to the particular currency that you will be sending. So in this example, Indian rupees. So make sure that you select India on that list, and now you will see the exchange rate here. To actually initiate the transfer, tap Send at the middle of your screen. So you will see the Send option here. Once you choose Send, you will be able to specify how much you will be sending in euro versus how much they will be receiving. So they will receive this amount in Indian rupees, and then you will be sending this amount in euro. Just adjust these values correctly, and you will see the exchange rate that they offer here. If everything looks okay, double check any fees, the total, and apply an offer code if you have one, and then you can choose the delivery method. Some of the most popular ones are going to be here at the top, like bank deposit, but you can choose other available methods like cash pickup or mobile money. Once you have selected the specific delivery method, you will have to specify the details about the recipient. So, details like their name, their phone number, email address, and of course, their contact information, payment info, and so on. Once everything looks okay, you can continue, choose the payment method that you will be using to fund this transfer, and the money will be sent. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video answered any questions that you had about how to use Remitly, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the other one.